Hello my dear little ones. How are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. Are you ready for our today's class? In our previous class, we discussed about the plant parts that are used as our food. Can you say those plant parts? Yes, flower, fruit, leaf, stem and roots. And today we are going to study about seed germination. Do you know what is seed germination? Okay, so let's see. When a seed is sown into moist soil, it begins to grow, and this process is called seed germination. In this video, we can see the seed germination. The soil you can see here is moist soil. So when we sow a seed into moist soil, it begins to grow, and this process is called seed germination. My dear little ones, did you understand about seed germination? Okay, so let's see the various stages of the germination of pea seed. At first, we have to take a flower pot or a glass vessel, as you can see in the picture, and fill soil into the glass. Then put a small hole into the soil and then place the seed into the soil as shown in the video, and cover the upper part with soil, and then pour some water into the soil. After 1 to 2 days, the seed sprouts and begins to grow downwards to the soil, and the part that grows downward the soil is called radicle. Later, this radicle develops into root of the plant. After 4 days, a small seed leaf arises from the cotyledon of the seed. In this picture, we can see the cotyledon. This cotyledon provides food for the seedling to germinate. And after 6 days, we can see a part growing upwards, and this part is called plumule. Later, the plumule develops to form shoot system of a plant bearing stem and leaves of a plant. After 7 days, small leaves begins to grow. After 11 to 12 days, we can get a fully grown pea plant. We all know that pea plant is a climber. So, if we place a support into the soil, it will climb up to the support. My dear little ones, so these are the different stages in the germination of a pea seed. So now we know about seed germination. The seed germinates and it grows into leaf, flower and fruit. In the case of pea plant, first we have to sow the seed into the moist soil, and gradually the seed begins to grow downwards, and then small seedling arises from the seed, and then the seedling changes to form a fully grown pea plant. Okay, my little ones, did you understand about the germination of pea seed? So now we know that new plants are formed from the seed, right? And from where do we get seeds? Yes, we get seeds from fruits and vegetables. Seeds are seen inside the fruits and vegetables, right? So we can say that fruits and vegetables protect the seeds. Okay, my dear little ones, did you understand? Okay, so teacher will give you an activity. The activity is write the names of any two fruits having one seed and many seeds. All of you should do this activity in your rough notebook. My dear little ones, so let's recollect our today's topic. Today we discussed about seed germination and the various stages in the germination of pea seed. I hope you all understand the today's topic well. See you in the next video. Thank you.